Closes all mean puts an end to all human efforts, or the end mean before death. Some work of noble note means some noble and heroic deed. Not unbecoming mean worthy of. That store with gods mean according to Greek mythology, the gods took sides with the Trojans in the war of Troy. Ulysses and his followers were brave enough to battle with the gods in the Trojan war. From the rocks mean from the houses built on the rocks. In the next para, it's not too late to seek a novel world. Push off and sitting well in orders meet. The sounding furrows form a purpose horse to sail beyond the sunset and the path of all the western stars until I die. It may be that the gulfs will wash us down. It may be we shall touch the happy angels and see the great Achilles from we knew, though much is taken from abides, and though we are not know that strength which in all days moved earth and heaven, that which we are one equal temper of heroic hearts, made weak by time and fate, but strong in will to strive, to seek, to find, and not to yield. From the rocks mean from the houses built on the rocks. Winds mean in coming to an end. The deep mean the ocean. Moons round with many voices mean in imagination Ulysses hears the myriad voices of the sea with its eternal note of sadness. Sitting well in order mean sitting well disciplined in the line. Smite the sounding furrows mean strike the roaring waves of sea with our oars. Horse mean is. Beyond the sunset mean beyond the western horizon, where the sun sets. The baths stars mean the western horizon where the stars go down into the sea. It may be means it is just possible. The gulfs mean the waves, the whirlpools will wash us down mean we may be drowned in the ocean. It may be means, but it is also possible that. The happy isle mean according to Greek mythology the abode of their dead heroes. The islands were supposed to lie somewhere in the western ocean. The great Achilles means one of the Greek heroes of the Trojan Wars. Homer's Iliad gives an account of his heroic deeds. Though much is taken mean though they have seen the and experienced much abides mean much more still remains to be seen and experienced. Next, moved earth and heaven mean achieved even the impossible. Next, one equal temper of heroic hearts mean they are all equally brave and heroic. By time mean by age. Fate mean it is human fate to grow old with age. To strive, to seek, to find and not to yield. This is the last line of this poem and it is very important and moral giving. It means they are determined to make efforts to search and find out new lands and never to admit defeat. The line has become proverbial as well. So guys, this is the word meanings of this poem. Thank you.